So what's up guys? So I just ordered the Dainese Full Metal 6 glove last week. So today it arrived. So just going to do a unboxing and just a quick overlook on this glove, and let me share with you guys on my first impression of the glove. So here you have the manual that comes with it, and this is the glove. So I actually ordered this in M size, but my carbon tree I was wearing the L size lah. So I thought of sizing down because I went to the website to see the size chart. So they say I'm a M size, so I just want to give it a try. Give it a try on M size. So yeah, let's see. So I got this from overseas. I ordered online. So this is the black colorway, but I didn't expect the stitching to be like fluorescent yellow. I expect to be like white color stitching. So I'm not sure they sent me the right color. So let's see if it can fit into my hand. Hopefully it fits. If cannot fit, then jialat already. Oh, it's quite tight. Oh, nice. It's perfect. Nice. Don't have the extra gap. Because my carbon tree, the L size, there's actually some empty space from my palm. Then the fingertip also got some empty space on the carbon tree which is L size. So I think I'm a size M for Dainese now. Oh, it's quite good. Probably need a bit of breaking in. So yeah, I think it should be okay. This M size. So this glove, let me try the other side. So this glove is supposed to be Dainese, the top range one, the top in the line one. This Full Metal 6. Oh, okay. I think the leather have to break in a bit. I need to use to loosen up. So the first time I'm wearing this it's quite stiff. The leather is quite hard. It's not super soft like the Comin GK169. It's not that soft, but it's quite thick, the leather. So here you have the iconic Dainese titanium plate, which is quite sleek. What I like is the titanium plate. So here you have a carbon fiber to protect, and your knuckle carbon fiber as well. Comes with a palm slider, standard, same as my carbon tree. Then this one reinforced pinky. I think it's to protect from sliding also, to promote sliding. Then there's the rubber thingy to probably to control the throttle better. So okay, overall I'm quite happy with the purchase. Quite comfortable, but a bit stiff, but not like Alpine Star type of stiff. Feels quite good. It's quite sensitive also. Okay, nice. So okay, as y'all can see, right, wait, let me take this out. So y'all can see this glove actually have this thing. So this thing is actually to protect here, this corner, your bone, this side of your bone. And all this is to actually protect here your here and here, and of course your palm because if you fall, right, probably the first thing is your palm. You will go and to block the fall. So this is to promote sliding actually. So yeah, not bad. So here's the vent. Expected for leather glove, Dainese always they put the vent here only, just like few holes, which doesn't really help at all lah. So yeah, this will probably be my new daily glove, man. It's quite nice. I really love the titanium finish, and I can just wear it over my jacket, because why I buy this is because when I wear my riding glove, right, then I have the short glove. So the short glove, always I have a hard time trying to fit it over my jacket. Yeah, so I think this one will make it easier lah, because this is supposed to fit into the race suit as well. So yeah, and compared to the Komin GK169, right, because Komin GK169, when I went for the track day, the left side, I feel it quite uncomfortable to clutch, because the side here for the ring finger and the pinky, it actually binds for that glove. That glove actually binds, so you only can use like these two sides. This is bind together, so it's not so flexible. I prefer something that I can move all my fingers. So yeah, when I wear the Komin for track day, after sometimes you can feel the pain. It's like abrasion when you try to clutch. So this one don't have, so that's one of the reason I buy this glove also. And because it's Dainese, I'm a fan of Dainese. So yeah, this one I bought about local. I went to JR to see. They were selling this in limited color and in the fluorescent yellow only, and in L and XL size. They were selling at $699. So probably JR will give like 20%. So it's still about 500 plus. So I got this online with shipping is less than 500. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good deal. And my carbon 3 glove I actually buy from the same place, and it's also cheaper than JR lah, after converting the currency and shipping and everything. So yeah, I always go the website to see for Dainese products. So I'm not sure about whether it's cheaper for other brand, but for Dainese I will shop there lah. Wow, it's really need to break in. I think probably it's going to be super comfortable, this glove. I quite like it. It doesn't restrict your hand movement, and there's this rubber thingy to probably let you grip onto your throttle easier. So yeah, this is reinforced. What's this? And this is plastic on the pinky. Here is the distortion control. So most important, glove must have palm slider, so at least you won't direct impact, So yeah, I'm quite happy with this purchase. It's quite worth it for less than 500. So I think this glove need to break in a little bit more, need to use it. So probably I'll use this as my daily glove, and yeah, let's see how long it can last. So that's all. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and support the channel. Thank you. See you guys on the next one. Ciao.